element. I'm in my element. Don't care about relevance. I'm doing me. I'm in my element. We the new delegate. Tap in and see. I don't sit and worry about who's on. Back in my bag, that's a new zone. Kettle on my wrist, it's a two-tone. Direct flight out to London. Then might slide out to Lisbon. Crossing borders, getting my stamps up. Travel light, everybody can't come. Lay low, I don't want attention. Only show what you see. Never no cap in my rap. When I rap on the track, got me feeling like I'm in the league. Ease. I'm in my element. Don't care about relevance. I'm doing me. I'm in my element. We the new delegate. Tap in and see. I'm in my element. Back in my element. 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 I'm in my. This is easy as a layup. I don't show if you don't pay up. Long nights had to stay up. Put in hours while you later. I can sit around and wait up. I'm gon' have to see you later. Giving tips like a waiter. Even tell them all you fade on. I'm in my element. Back in my element. 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 I'm in my element. Don't care about relevance. I'm doing me. I'm in my element. We the new delegate. Tap in and see. Extra, extra, read all about it. 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 Hot off the press, brand new news, front page, who is this? All black on, real low key, take a guess. I stand out from the rest, no contest. I've been the man, I am him. Only fear God with the fear God I'm in. Been blessed, prayed up, amen. Now I'm getting to this money like a paper route kid. Extra, extra, read all about it. 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 I've been the man, you verse me, I know you would never win. Rarely take an L, never been a fan. Added sense, top speed, rest is in the wind. I just do me, I don't chase trends. First they all hate, then they wanna make friends. Talking about weed, that was never in the plan. I don't speak French, but I really like France. Extra, extra, read all about it. 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 I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm all in. Been ballin'. Yeah, I'm all in, yeah, I'm all in. Been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds. Yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets on the first in and the last out, see me coming. First take, I'm hotter than hot. Hotter than some boiling water, I bubble the pot. Team full of ballers, baby, we I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm all in. Been ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'.
What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? How's everyone doing? Let me turn this music down. Alright, so let's head on to the daily time frame here. Alright, so looking at the daily, we are of course still bullish overall. So let's get our markups in. So we have a daily support here, and we've got a daily resistance here, and of course we got one down here. And let's take a look at the H4. 4 hour, we've got a support here, and we've got a 4 hour demand right here. All right, we've got a resistance here. Resistance here, and we've got a resistance here with a nice looking supply. Gonna mark up this support down here. I don't think we're gonna need it, but let's just have it on there. And let's take a look at the H1. Now, H1 time frame, actually I'll move this demand down here to the 1 hour. Alright, so on the 1 hour, we've got a demand here. And we've got a 1 hour resistance here. Actually, looking at this right now, give me a second, guys. Got a 1 hour supply here. Now, we do have a 1 hour minor resistance right here. Actually, let me change that here. Copy, save as, paste. Now, even though we have a 1 hour resistance here, we could tap it and reject off of it. Even if we do that, I will be looking at buys. And once we get down to the lower time frame, the 15-minute, it will be more clearer to you guys because I will explain why. So we got a 1 hour demand there. We've got a 1 hour demand here. These other ones that I'm adding, we might not need it, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. I don't want the hour demand there. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Okay, I'm gonna move this to the 30-minute demand. move this to the 30 as well. All right. Let's take a look at the 15 now. Now, what I want you guys to understand here today is that, give me a second. Actually, this 15-minute supply is actually the zone that might hold the 15-minute supply. So I'm going to delete this. It does not reject off of this 15-minute supply. I'm not interested in sales. Either the 15-minute supply or the 1 hour resistance. Okay, now I am looking for buys, and I'm going to explain why I'm looking for buys. Now, first thing first, we do understand that gold is actually bullish. Bullish overall on the higher time frame, right? That's number one. We know that. However, when we get to the lower time frame, we still have a bearish structure because the bearish move started from this daily resistance. You guys can see it. This is where the bearish move started from. Daily resistance at 24.54. And then we had a continuation at this 4-hour resistance at 24.06. So you have, where's the annotate tool here? So you have your 4-hour major high at 24.06. And then you have, I know that's going to disappear. And then you have your daily major high at 24.54. Now, we understand that as well. Now, so we have a daily major high and a 4-hour major high. And as you can see, none of those have been taken out yet. The 4-hour major high and then the daily high has not been taken out yet. So on the lower time frame, we still have a bearish structure. At the same time, as of right now, we have a bullish momentum. When we look here to the left, price rejected a 1-hour demand, failed to break the lows. And since we failed to break the lows, coming off of the 1-hour demand, pay attention to the structure we have been forming. Let me grab this tool. We start from this low. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. And now this is a high. What are we going to wait for now? Wait for a new low to be formed, and then we look for buys. Simple. So what we are looking at here is what I like to call momentum. Now, in this case, we have a bearish structure on the lower time frame with a bullish momentum. Now, what do we do? So how do we take a position? If we have a buy setup, we take it. That's going to be a momentum trade. But on the higher time frame, you are taking a trend continuation. But on the lower time frame, you are looking at a bullish momentum trade. If we take a sell, we are simply taking a lower time frame structure position. That's it. It's that simple. So as of right now, I am looking for buys. Another thing you need to pay attention to is this right here. Highs taking out, highs taking out, highs taking out, highs taking out. So we are breaking highs. We are not breaking lows. So since we are not breaking lows, why the hell are you going to be looking for sales right now? You can't be looking for sales because we are breaking highs. Okay? And one more thing you need to pay attention to. We can call this our 15-minute major low. Now, pay attention to the lows that we were forming after that. Pay attention to it. Low here, lower than the major low. Another low, higher than the major low, right? This low here, higher than this low. This low here, higher than this low. This low here, almost the same level because we actually rejected the same lows, which is fine, okay? Because this low here broke this high. Bottom line, every low we forming is higher than the previous low. What does that tell you? I'm going to draw it again. It tells you we have this. Every low, when we have a bullish move, every low is higher than the previous low. And isn't that what we have here? Is that not what we have? So we're going this way. We need to wait for this, and then we take the final leg to the upside. So I am looking for buys. I hope this analysis helps you guys. What the hell? Why is this not deleting? Are you serious? I guess I gotta do it manually. Alright, that's the analysis, guys. Very well explained. You're welcome, Mitch. Oh, I am going to add this 15-minute demand here. I missed that. But before I do we have... We could actually reject that 30, so we're going to use 30. Bounced off of it already, but we'll see. Move this here.
I hope you remember me. I know you remember me. Swim my babe from Tennessee, cause she the only 10 I see. Grabs in. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, alright now. Push it, limit, push it.
It would be better if we come back all the way to the 1 hour instead. Well, we shall see.
Never got a handout, had to get mine. Never had a bust down, I like to tell the time. Never have I ever said that I could never. All that doubt was motivation, now I'm doing better. Stone Island bucket, never been to London. I invest before I spend it, my family is struggling.
Good morning, Gideon.
Lessons and gifts, they don't want for nothing. Every day is Christmas, swear I'm not fronting. Red sand, walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, I really care about who
Thank you,
next is.
Consistent.
Reps in. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best.
You've been in bias for 3 hours now, looking super good. Yeah, I was actually going to take the bias and send it to Discord, but I didn't take it because it's outside my trading hours. That's what happens when you're trying to stick to your rules. And no matter what, always stick to your rules. Whatever rules or plan you've made for yourself, just stick to it, man.
I keep finding myself in these dark rooms, and I don't know how to get out now that I'm not with.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning, Hood Gabbett.
Baby, you're my biggest problem.
Morning, David.
Not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless?
Well, how long did you say it took you to get your funded certificate email? I'm still waiting on mine. They still haven't sent it.
Let me check.
I don't know. I guess I should have waited before I paid the activation fee. The reason why I just went ahead and paid it because they're on the website it says you should get it like after 6 p.m. Central Time. And when I looked at my email, like around 7 p.m. Central Time because my time zone is Central anyways. And I didn't see it. I was like, you know what, maybe I have to pay for it. So I went ahead and paid for it. I didn't see it.
So I got the action needed, congratulations on passing email. And then an hour later, they sent the certificate.
Oh, wow. I didn't even get the congratulations for passing the email either.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
But then when I looked at the before I paid on their website, it says you're gonna get that email 3 ways. In your email, also on your dashboard. So and I can't remember what the last one is called. So I only had it on my dashboard.
Oh.
They need to have a section where you can just get it yourself, like all these Forex prop firms.
Yeah.
Instead of waiting, you can just go there and get it yourself. They should have been done that. They've been around since 2015, 2016. Well, maybe I'll get it today. We'll see. Thank you, Eddie. I'm gonna start another one on Monday. Since you can use this top X to copy trades.
Yeah.
So I'll get another one and start on Monday.
It's a very small world, so my hand holds. Wake up, make the money, that's a man's role. Loyalty and love is what I stand for. Can't forget about
Good morning, Janaise. Good morning, AI. Thank you, Gideon. We had a lot of people passing this week. That's really, really impressive.
It's the weekend, we've been working.
Can you copy trade the one that's to Tradeovate? Wow, does Tradeovate have a copy trader? I mean, through
Yeah.
Top Step?
I'm not sure about TopStep. I know Trade8 has a copy trader built in. Like
Oh,
actual Trade8 website, not through TradingView.
oh, I don't know, Misty. Ask. Maybe you should ask in Top Step Discord. I mean, someone would know. Hopefully, hopefully we get volume today. Like last week Friday London session. Was it last week Friday or the Friday before? Where we just took sales. It was a quick one and gold just kept on dropping.
Remember.
How many accounts can you have with Top Step? 5, I believe. 5. You can't have more than 5. You're welcome, AI.
Probably got a few friends that I don't need, not fake, never been fraud, been great, still a little flawed, always need sign when they call, order up a drink while I'm sitting at the bar, like, I need a strong tail, Nico make two, honey jack with a little bit of juice, CYA throwing up the dose, I'm all in, little grub at black and blue, no sauce, that strip got juice, for dessert I just need a little mousse. I'm starving.
I'm probably the only supply and demand trader because I haven't seen anyone else. And if I should see anyone else, I definitely know they copied me. I haven't seen anyone else. Trade supply and demand how I do. Everyone, I'm not trying to brag or nothing, or trying to be cocky or nothing, but you guys will probably agree with me. Probably the only supply and demand traders that use multiple time frames. Every other trader that I've seen, at least on YouTube, if they trade supply and demand on the 5 minute, that's the demand and supply zones they will look for. If it's on the 15, that's the zones they will look for. If it's on the 30, that's the zones they will look for. But I don't trade it like that. I was just back testing one day, and it just occurred to me like, okay, if I'm doing my top-down analysis on all time frames, like I go to the daily, mark up my support and resistance, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, so on and so forth. If I'm doing that with support and resistance, why am I not doing the same thing with supply and demand? Like, why? Why am I not doing the same thing? I guess you can see my edge. Yep, Kiddo B, yep, my edge.
Sometimes it's just that simple, you know?
Yep.
Just realizing you're like, what the hell have I been doing?
Yeah. I'm the only supplemental man today that trade London and New York session. I don't know. I don't know about that one. Where are we going to enter long? I don't know yet. Any of these demand zones you see here.
Before I count the M's, always count my blessings. Look, I'm too sure, never second guessing. Got some money, put up for the rain, so I'm never stressing. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flame miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flame miles. So high,
Different time frame gives you more confirmation. That's true, Dipsy.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flame miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle.
Since you got your account, well, have you been trading micros or still regular ones?
Wait a minute,
Still regular.
real late night, woke up with my head spinning out Nashville. It's been mad real. I need sunglasses, I need Advil. I like fake boobs and my cash real. I like first place, you're in last deal. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flame miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle. Look, pocket rocket in my pocket, please don't make me pop it. All these boys just wanna copy the style, tell them niggas stop it. Whoa, whoa, it's my destiny, feeling like Latoya, like it found me my Beyonce, and she shotgun in the cockpit. Grinding with the team, making C notes. In my pocket still full of green, call it CeeLo. Alligator watch on me, Tim Tebow, and these haters love to watch me like Tebow. Look, I don't take L's, I just learn a lesson. Before I count the M's, always count my blessings. Look, I'm too sure, never second guessing. Got some money, put up for the rain, so I'm never stressing. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flame miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flame miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle. Can't do what I do. You can't do what I do.
You entered sales at 23.10. Okay.
Oh, damn, that's like right here.
Let's take a look at Forex. Where's that at? Oh, right now, pretty much. Okay.
Take a loss and learn. I watch some bridges burn. I never toss and turn. I wake up and I repeat. It's only me that I can beat. I might drop a song a week. Look, go, 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 on the run. Go, 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 go.
Oh man. London session. Good old London session.
What
with the low volume. I don't know anything about other block. All I know is supply and demand, support and resistance. That's it. Anything aside from that, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't see it holding. 15-minute resistance, I don't see it holding. And even if it does, we're just going to come back and have our bullish continuation. The zones that I'm looking to take sales is either this 15-minute supply or the 1 hour resistance. That's it.
It's the block you stand on when you make an order.
Huh?
Gildebeat said it's the block you stand on when you make an order.
Do I have a video on how to draw supply and demand? No, I don't have it on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. But I have a few videos on my channel, just showing the trades that we took, and they were all supply and demand. So if you watch those videos, you'll see them. But I do need to make a video though. I'm just not encouraged to make YouTube videos anymore because you guys don't watch it. So I'm just like, man, I'm just wasting my time. I'm gonna just stick to live streams. Even the shorts that I used to make, I'm like, man, what's the point? I'm not a content creator, I'm a trader. So that's that.
Hey King, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Hey, good. King, I have a question regarding the New York last night. You remember we took the sells on the the 15-minute candle, where the previous 15-minute was a big wick and then a small body, and the next one just didn't have any top wick and it just melted down. So, what was the actual logic? Like I understood, in for the 30 minutes, it turns out to be a longer wick and then a body which is just going downwards. So, what was the actual logic for taking that trade? If you can explain, if that is okay.
Okay, so first confirmation was the bearish structure on the 15-minute. Okay, second confirmation, 15-minute supply rejection. Let me change that real quick. That's the second confirmation. The final confirmation that we had was that, no final confirmation. The third confirmation was this supply here, 15-minute, that was there as well. This candle tapped it and rejected. The final confirmation was our entry, and the reason why we took it with this bearish candle, even though it had no top wick, is if you go to the 30-minute, this is the 30-minute right here, tap it and then flip bearish. So the fact that the 30-minute had a top wick, I was willing to take it on the 15-minute.
Okay, yeah, that's where I got a little bit confused because the top wick was not there on the 15. So
Yeah,
that was a little bit confusing. Yeah. Thank you so much for explaining. Thank you.
you're welcome. Uh, like this one.
Ah, okay. DS on YouTube. He knows your problem.
Huh?
Your videos and your shorts, he knows what's wrong. You're missing a Lambo.
He's probably right. I'm missing a
He's
Lambo.
probably right.
No, probably. He's definitely right. Guess I need to start selling dreams. You have it set up, but you don't know where to buy or sell. Well, keep watching. I'm still waiting, Clara. I'm still waiting. Still waiting. So for those of you that came late, right now we have a bullish momentum. If we start from, let me just mark this, from this 15-minute, call this minor support. Okay, since we created that support, we rejected off of a 1 hour demand, and this is what we have: low, high, low, high, low, high. Now we're waiting for a low to be formed, rejecting any of this demand that you guys see, and then we take a buy. This is what we're waiting for. If we don't get it, then there is no trade. Okay, this is what we're waiting for the buys. And for the sells, I am anticipating either from this 15-minute and take it down, or we just, we have this, come back, maybe it doesn't get to the demand, and then this just keeps going. We get it, we reject the 1 hour supply, 1 hour minor resistance. We look to take sales. That is the sales that I will be taking. But for now, I am looking for buys. For now, I am looking for buys.
Gilda Beat says John should be fine. I don't know. I think he might be in trouble. Getting dicey.
Hey Zay, how you doing? Long time. How did I transition from having a regular job to being a full-time trader? I will be grateful for any tips to tackle this challenge for you. Honestly, it was all done by me compounding. And if I'm really being honest with you, I just got lucky, really. Because when I did go full-time, I shouldn't have. I shouldn't have. But what I had in my favor was that I had some money set aside in my savings. So I was able to do what I did, which was made the decision to, say to myself, you know what, I'm just gonna do this full time, and it worked out for me. If it didn't, then I would have been back to a 9 to 5. So that's pretty much what I did. So if you want to go full time, make sure you actually know how to trade. All right, make sure you're not the type of trader who just wants to freaking flip accounts, and make sure you have some money saved up.
Yeah, that's unfortunate for Xauusd. I saw a moving average set up to the long side at 23, 26.5 on the futures. It's like, oh,
What moving average are you using?
triple. So 8, 20, and
triple.
50.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Once they're all, if you're bullish, 8 has to be at the top, 20 below it, 50 just below it, and then they're all curling up, and then the candles are closing right on top of the 8.
Yeah,
It's
I know
like,
the
oh
one
man.
you're talking about.
It's like, uh-oh. He's in trouble.
Good morning, Jay Smith. Can I check your chart too? Send it to Discord. At least he's taking his own trades, If he takes a loss,
Yep.
he will learn from it. If he wins, he will learn from it.
And he's ballsy enough to call it out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
Unlike some people who, they're like, oh yeah, there was a buy setup on the 1 minute. Yep. Like, I took it right at the low there, but I'm gonna call it out right now.
I'm done for the day. Yeah, I took it on a 30-second. Yeah. I haven't seen Anton for a day. Where is he?
Yeah, me too. He wasn't here yesterday.
You have no idea how to use the moving average. Yeah, it's actually very simple. You just want the price to hug the moving average in the direction of trend.
The basic stuff of moving average. Let's say this is a moving average. You want your moving for buys, you want your moving average to be below and price is trading above it for buys. For sales, let's say you have your moving average, you want your moving average to be above and price is trading below it. That's really the basic stuff. And then some people, what they do is, let's say moving average is above and price is trading below it. Let's say price is right here. Because, they probably don't use supply and demand. Maybe they're just looking at the moving average. They wait. Depending on the moving average they're using, if price taps the moving average, they look to short it to the downside. The same thing, if price is above and moving average is below, they simply wait for price to come back, reject, either grab liquidity below the moving average or bounce off the moving average, and they look to take a buy. There are different ways to trade it. Oh, shit.
No, Gideon, I'd never ban Anton. He talks crazy, but he never says anything rude.
Yeah, I know. talks in riddles.
Yeah. Oh man.
I just bought new shoes today. I wear my new shoes today. Stepping in my shoes today. Don't step on my shoes today. Happy with an attitude. Please don't think I'm mad at you. I work on my gratitude. Throwing all this cash at you. Swear I cannot do no wrong.
Yeah, Gideon. Even if you want to add moving average, any moving average to your strategy, just combine it with price action. Don't just focus on the moving average.
Don't have much to say. All that talking on the phone, but you're never making plays. Playing phone tag. You're it. Pick up more bags. Too legit.
You're sticking with support and resistance. Yeah, so if you're good at support and resistance, you master that. Then let's say you add in your, supply and demand, and then you work those two together.
Because one of the reasons why you don't want to just be trading off of moving averages is this. So let's say prices. So let's say you have your moving average is trading upwards, and you have price above it, right? And then price bounces off the moving average, and then you take a buy. Pay attention to what I'm saying here. And then you take a buy. Depending on the time frame that you are actually trading, pay attention to this. You take a buy simply because price bounced off the moving average, or even maybe wicked the moving average, but we didn't close below. And then you take your buy. And then price go to this level, to this high, and then we reject it simply because we have a supply sitting here. And then we came down. You got stopped out. You'll see stuff like this. This is the reason why you don't want to just focus on moving averages alone. You need to add price action to it, whether it's support and resistance, supply and demand, whatever it is. Don't just focus on moving averages alone. But if you add moving averages to, for example, let's say I add moving average to my supply and demand strategy. Now, for somebody like me, I'll look at this setup here and I'll be like, okay, there's a 50% chance of either price continuing bullish or price falling. But I'll look at this and be like, we actually have a possible sell setup here. And this is why. The reason why I would say we possibly have a sell setup here is because this move to the downside closed below this low right here. But we still have this low right here that we did not get to. Okay, and let's say we have a demand right here. Just excuse my drawing. Okay, let's say we have a demand here because every low that is formed in an uptrend is a potential demand zone. I understand that. Now, this low has been taken out. Mind you, this rejection right here could actually be off of a previous supply or a previous resistance. And then we came down and then broke this minor low. Someone like me, I'll be waiting for the sells. The buys, I'm not going to take it. And even if I do take the buys, let's say we rejected the demand. If I take the buys, I'm not going to let it run because I know there is a chance we'll get to that supply and come down. So my buys will be a pullback buys because I understand that we have a minor break of structure. So these sells will be what I'll really be looking for. If the buys make sense to me, I'll just take it, see it as a pullback buys. Should I even be out before, depending on the pip range, I'll be out even before it gets there. And if I'm not out, that will be my final TP. Just get what I want and be out. But for someone who just trade off of moving averages, they just be like, oh man, it bounced off of moving average, so I'm just gonna freaking let it run. So you don't want to do that. moving averages or any indicator is just meant to be used as what am I looking for? Damn, I can't think of the word right now.
Confluence.
Yeah, or more confirmations, I guess. Ah, man, damn you, goat. Damn you.
You hope I'm listening. What? Well, I'd be sitting pretty if I took that buy.
Because you would have done what I just said. If you guys been paying attention, we've taken multiple trades like that pullback trade. I guess it just wasn't paying attention. Yeah, I don't know about the sales anymore at this point because I was expecting it to come out. Yeah, I was expecting it to come back down to any of this demand before driving. So we're gonna have to mark up another demand now at this point. Yep. Yeah, probably gonna delay this 15 minutes up by. Let's wait for this candle to close though before we add the 15-minute, and also the 30 will be closing. The 1 hour will be 1 hour is still down here, so we'll have a 30-minute demand and a 15-minute demand. So let's wait for both of them to close. Good morning, Miguel. Good morning, Rodrigo. Didn't even touch the 5-minute demand. Can you imagine? Didn't even touch the 5. Even though we don't use the 5-minute demand. You said fake buys. No, it's not really fake buy. She just decided to reject off of this support to the left. That's all. It's not a fake buy. Oh, nice. You guys gave 100 likes real quick today. But the goal is 150. You're still in with your buy. You're not going out now. Shit, if you're still in, man, at least take partials and just fill your stop loss if you're still in. At this point, this is what I would do. I'm not telling you to do the same thing given because if you're in buys, I'm sure you know how to trade. Now, if I'm going to trail my stop loss here to maximize my profit, because this is the most recent low here, right? I'll have my stop loss right here. That's if I had a buy right here. That's where my stop loss will be at this point to trail my stop loss. Or I'll just, or maybe have it at this resistance just to maximize my profit. That's what I would do. So either of those two zones, that's where I'll move my stop loss to maximize my profit. Thank you, Best Life Trading Family. So we got 5 minutes for the 15-minute to close, 30-minute, and of course the 1 hour. So hopefully, once they close, we'll get a pullback. I don't really want to use the 30-minute though, but we'll start with the 30-minute. I'm going to prefer the 15-minute. It's going to be right here. Let me see what we look like on the 30. 30 will look like this. We'll see. We probably didn't come down to retest the 30-minute again because this candle already tapped it. And if we go to the 5, you see that it was actually a rejection off of it and then just continued up. Two more minutes, 2 more. See what happens afterwards. Now, the only way that I'll possibly take a sell is if we reject this 15-minute supply, is if we have this setup. So now, say we keep going, tap it. I'm gonna wait for this. Bam, be some reject somewhere like this, and then I'll look to take it down. This right here is the setup that I will wait for to take sales. But if we have this and then we start coming straight down, I'm gonna wait for the buys. But if we have this then I'll take a sell coming down. Pretty much. Good morning, Danny. You maxed it, all right, given. All right, so every time frame is closed except for the 4 hour, and we'll start off with the daily. I said daily, 30-minute. I would prefer the 15, but we'll start off with the 30. And I will be right back. I'm gonna go use the restroom. Well, take over for me. Thank you. You have similar setup on NAS right now, already secured the market display with your feelings right now.
Well, looks like gold ain't coming back.
Yeah, very, very strong bullish.
Yeah. Check out Maddox Trade on Discord. Let's see.
Yeah, he took it. I think he's going to take an out there. see. Can't see where the sell. Why the sell?
Oh. Didn't hit stop loss yet. He should be okay. Should be coming back. It's coming back down. But yeah, selling Nas is not the way to go because Nas is bullish as hell. So let's see, Nas. If I was in a sell right now, at the break of this little support at 614, I'd probably be targeting 575 first. Possibly you can get lower. Who knows?
Oh, damn good.
Nas is super bullish.
Damn good. Good in. Man. Oh, Matic took a sell on Nas. Let me see. Where is it? It's taking. I'm gonna take a look at the chat. Let's see what happened here. Okay, so we got that low there. So let's go to the 4 hour. I need a clear picture. Okay, so we've got this resistance here. And we've got this 4 hour support. Let's go back to the 15. Okay, so we have a 4 hour range. And previously, Nas broke this support. So we've got a 15-minute demand here. We didn't tap it. You see on the 30, 30 invalid demand. So 15, we didn't tap it. So, and we've got a minor BOS here. And where did he get in? Oh, this is the 5 minute. So, okay, it took breakout pretty much. Let's go back to the daily. So, 30 minute, what do we have? 1 hour, 4 hour. What was this? Okay, so 4 hour resistance. Because we didn't have a clean sub bar. And his analysis was right. He just took it too early. He took it too early. Now should fall. Now should fall.
Yeah, I was saying if he took it right now, it would have been nice.
Yeah.
Not over there.
Yeah, he should have. He should have waited. Even if you took it here, right here to the left, around here, you're not wrong. Maybe somewhere around here. and stop loss above. Yeah, you're not wrong. You just should have waited. But hopefully it breaks this 15-minute low. Cause let me go to the 5. Well, what's oh he's about to be back in profit. I think he took it below this low. Yeah, he's about to be back in profit. You should win this. You should win this. He just took breakout. But for us, obviously, we would have been waiting. This is what we would have been waiting for, and we would have gotten.
He's at break even.
Is that break even? Okay.
So that means his entry was like there.
Oh, so
break up the 5-minute support.
So this candle is London open. Oh no, we would have taken this because this is London open. Yeah, but we'll be in now though. Yeah, we'll be in now because yeah, this is way too. Yeah, we wouldn't have taken this. But now, yeah, we definitely would have taken this because especially when you have this double rejection at this 4-hour resistance. That's a sell confirmation there. And it should actually come all the way down to 19,481. That's what NAS should do. It's just so freaking bullish. But you should win this. If you don't, then
I wouldn't trust.
Market is stripping.
I wouldn't trust any sells too deep because it could just get bought up anywhere because of how bullish it is.
Yeah, that's the only thing. But without that, it should actually come all the way down and then actually come reject this demand. Yeah, before going back up. It should come down. You just might be in there for a while. Because this is London session, you're not gonna get that much volume or volatility. Man, Goldie. Yeah, I ain't using this supply no more. Wow.
Damn. I should have taken that moving average. I'd be up 105 pips.
Definitely has volume today. It just didn't give us a setup. Man.
Damn, I can't believe it didn't pull back after, looking all fucking, choppy and low volume here.
Exactly.
You'd think that it would want to pull back.
Yeah. Pretty much just give that 5-minute pullback and bam, that's it. Because London definitely did not give the 5-minute pullback either. Oh wait, let me check Forex. Did Forex pull back to the 5? Let's see. They pull back to the 5. Nope. Didn't touch the 5 either. Okay.
Your name came up in Lorenzo's stream by a couple people. Do you trade breakouts? No.
Who asked that?
NBA.
Oh, my name came over and I was back up a little bit. I don't trade breakouts. I trade supply and demand. If I trade breakouts, I would have taken these buys. But I don't. Man, the 30-minute demand is looking more juicy, especially if it closes like this. So maybe you can still get it. All right, flip bearish and come down. Don't you dare break this PBL candle. Just flip and start coming down. Nasdaq go north after news. Good sometimes do its own things. Yeah, she does. All right, there you go. Start coming down. Adrian, where's your hammer? Push this thing down. Where's your Thor hammer? There you go. Oh, nice one, Miguel. You had a good week. What? They broke into Mamba FX house. You think they stole everything because you don't see anything flashy anymore? Wait, where did you get that news, Mitch? That's what you get when you show everything. Instagram? I used to follow him. I don't follow him anymore. That's why I didn't see it. Wow. Wait, how do they know where he lives, though?
Man, if you stream, someone can find out.
He doesn't even stream.
Oh, okay. I don't know.
Huh, wow. That's crazy.
I know people hack streamers and then they find out where they live and they fucking, call 911 on their house and shit.
Mm. The moment I stopped following him, the moment I saw that all his Instagram posts is just this lifestyle, jewelry, watches, cars, women. I'm like, man, I must stop following this guy, following this dude. And then what did it for me was when he made a post about freaking him receiving applications from women. It was like,
For what?
yep, if any woman wants to date him, then they got to fill out an application. It's like 20 women. 20 women is at least 20 women to submit an application. I'm like, that's dumb as hell.
What I missed? What
You
the fuck?
already got 5 kids, bro. 5 kids. And you got all this money. You think these freaking women want you for you? You don't even know them. They don't want
Jesus.
you for you. They want you for your money. These are the dumb stuff I be talking about. I just unfollowed him.
Man, I must have come back late. You talking about war?
Huh?
I didn't know you were talking about. Suddenly, just heard about all these women.
You're not hating Matic. I'll say it for you. Any trader that calls himself a trader, but their social media is freaking 90% lifestyle, 10% trading, is a guru. That's a guru. And all the big names, go look at their social media. Shit, it's like 99.9% lifestyle. If you see anything about trading, it's going to be when they were coming up. That's what you'll see. And I unfollowed majority of them. I unfollowed Mamba. I ain't have nothing against them, but I don't agree with all those stuff. Unfollowed Mamba, unfollowed Alex G, Lambo Raul. Shit, even, oh no, I still follow Q Banks. Wait, do I still follow him? I'm not sure. The only Miami trader that I follow is Daniel Savage. That's the only Miami trader I follow. Every other trader that lives in Miami, they're all gurus. Lifestyle pictures, that's what they're doing. Where do I live? I live in Texas. He's a salesman. The only reason I still follow Q Banks is because I respect his business ethics. And this other dude, Swaggy C. He's not in Miami. Those two, I respect their business ethics. That's why I still follow them. Everyone else, they childish as hell. Especially that Mamba.
I don't get why so many people are so stupid to, buy their signals or pay for their courses or even believe anything from those kinds of people.
Yeah, the moment you call yourself a trader and then you have all this flashy stuff and then you claiming that you made all of it from trading, oh yeah, I'm unfollowing you. Like, you done, you out of here. Because that's a lie. It's not gonna work on somebody like me. I've been in this game for too long to fall for it. video 73K on US30. Yeah, you can lose that much on US30 with the broker it has, because those brokers, they use points, so you can lose that much. If you have, with those type of brokers, if you have a 10 lot on US30 and you negative 100 pips, which is 100 points, if you lose that, you just lost 100K. But if it's a broker that uses pips, that's just gonna be negative 10K for you. That's the difference. And if you made 100 pips, this is what you're gonna make if you have a 10 lot. So that's how it is. Oh, good morning, Mario. Damn, long time. Long time no see. Yep. I'm good, thank you. So, guys, hopefully we can now get what we're waiting for. This is what we're waiting for now. Hopefully we get it. I'm also going to be paying attention to this candle right here. Be paying attention to that. So I'm just going to use, just have a line here, somewhere here.
We could be on the run, we could be on the go, we could be in Barcelona, we could be in Mykonos. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. Only if you say so. Only if you say so. Only if you say, only if you say, only if you say so. Only if you say so. Yeah. Only if you say so. Only if you say, only if you say.
If every single so-called Forex guru on freaking Instagram can just start going live on YouTube to help their audience out, those beginners, because majority of the freaking audience is beginners. If only they can start freaking going live on YouTube, we're going to start having less people quitting this industry. We're going to see more people sticking around and less quitters. But nope, we're not going to see that happen. The day we see that, you guys will see. The record we have with Forex trading right now, the bad record we have is going to start reducing. It's going to start getting better. It's going to start getting better. But we're not going to see that. Nope, that's not going to happen.
You see the guy who turned $20 to $200,000. That's fake. I don't know who that is, but that's fake.
Fake as hell.
I've done it twice.
$20 to how much?
200K.
100K.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, after even how long would that even take? If
I think the best one I've seen.
And what actually baffles me is that the fact that they have like 400, half a million, 1 million subscribers, 800K subscribers, 700K subscribers, and not a single live stream video on YouTube. Not a single one. If that's not a red flag, and you claim that you helping people, bro, you're not helping people. You see this as business. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with having a business side to trade. When it comes to trading as well, there's nothing wrong with that either. But you also got to freaking have free content. And man, they can't even say they have free content on YouTube because shit, your video is monetized, so that's not free. What were you gonna say, Pi?
Yeah, so I think one of the best ones I saw was like the fake videos where these two brothers, English brothers, on YouTube saying they flipped 10,000 to 1 million in a week, and it was just crap. Like they were using different phones to show the profit and loss, and they were still driving Ford Escorts, and you're like, what the fuck? If you can flip it into 1 million, you've done it before. You're not driving a Ford Escort.
No way, exactly. Oh, jeez.
But people suck it up.
Man, that video blew up. Man, that thing.
Did you see that?
Freaking, I saw it.
Yeah,
That video freaking blew up. I don't see them anymore though.
Nah, I think they got a lot of shit.
Greetings from Philippines. Thank you, Jojo.
I love how stupid people are. How can people believe that shit? How?
There's always going to be new people out there, isn't there? You know,
It's the beginners.
Oh man, I'm ashamed to say that's how I got into the industry back in 2020. I was just like completely had no idea what it was and completely got not scammed. Well, yeah, a little bit scammed.
I mean,
but I look back now. I think, God, how dumb was I?
Some intermediate traders still fall for it too, but hey, what can we do?
The first person that ever scammed me was a guy called Dan Legg, and I first saw him over here. We have a TV channel 5, and it's a show called Rich Kids Go Broke, and it's basically you get these rich young kids and make them sleep on the street for a night. And I just I was like, where the fuck is this guy getting his money from? And it was like, FX, I make all this money from my phone. Look, I've made $1,000 in 10 minutes or whatever. And he's like 21. And I'm like, shit, man, what's he doing? How's he doing this? What is FX? That sounds really sexy. But man, you look back now, it's like, never saw him place a trade, never saw a live trade, basically all his money was coming from courses, people buying courses and signals. That's all it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know, there must be a human psychology that you sort of see what you want to see.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
you just go from there. I mean, a lot of traders take a few years anyway to make it, don't they? Along the way, you get all sorts of bumps, especially at the beginning.
That's why I would say the reality is that in this industry, you have 3 types of people. You have marketers, you have content creators, and you have traders. You just got to pick your poison.
Yep.
You got to pick your poison. But in order for you to be a marketer, you got to be a content creator. So both they go hand in hand. Oh, someone else send something else to Discord. One loss, 2 wins. Let's see. Last 100. Oh, wait, it took buys and then it took sells.
Damn.
He done for the day.
Wait, was there a 5-minute demand? Let me see. It's like we missed the 5-minute demand when we were looking at it because it didn't touch the 15 because it took these buys on a 5. Let me see. Huh. It didn't tap the 5-minute demand.
I think you're looking at the wrong area. To the right. No, he didn't take the buy there. Wasn't it over where the Matic guy took the sell? Took a...
Oh,
yeah, I think he took a buy here. So he's like taking a buy off of this area here somewhere. Oh yeah, that one.
Oh, okay. Wait. I don't think that touched the 5 though. Oh, okay, okay. Let's see if there's 15 there. Okay, so it's definitely the 5. Okay, so he definitely, that was a 5-minute demand that he used. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, cool.
Man, this is the problem with taking a sell on Nas. It's just so bullish. People are just not really wanting, no one's really wanting to sell it, and then people are wanting to buy the dips. So yeah, Matic's still fucking, he's like still a little bit in drawdown.
Yeah. But I do feel like if this setup was actually NY, this will fall because this is a freaking sell setup right here.
Yeah.
This is a sell setup for sure. Just London session. In Jamaica, you can, the police, they police your Forex trade. Wow. That would be you. You're in a sell looking at damn. With gold? Or you're talking about NAS? Magic ever said he took the buys at the sell entry. Oh, that was funny. Oh, what video is this?
Breaking news. Friday, 19th of April 2024. A secret banking loophole known only to a handful of Americans.
Oh boy, here we go.
I just want to share with you.
I want to share with you
three important messages in this video.
And so what we want to do is truly understand what a candlestick is,
what the
candlesticks
is
telling us.
Good traders are alert, yet patient.
Good traders, they are alert and patient.
When a setup they've been waiting for shows up,
So when a good trading setup that they have been waiting for comes up,
they take it without hesitation.
they're going to take that trade without any hesitation.
Oh my god, word for word.
If you are thinking of quitting Forex,
or
quitting day trading,
or
He's
day
done it to
trading,
many.
I think
He's
it'll
done it
help
to
you
a
out a
few
lot.
people.
this video would definitely help you out
been
a
pulled out.
lot.
If you're sitting here right now watching this video,
If you're watching this video right now,
you could either be on the verge of quitting,
you are either about to quit trading,
you have just recently quit,
my
you have
God.
already quit trading,
or you
He
are
has
a
been
fan of me
apologized,
and I
apparently.
appreciate you.
or
Well,
you
yeah,
know
I've
you
seen
just
the video.
love my videos, which I appreciate it.
And by the end of the
word
video,
for
By the end of
word.
this video,
hopefully you feel inspired,
hopefully you will feel
That's
inspired,
it.
maybe
You've done it
rekindle
to
trading
you.
if you have quit it.
or maybe even rekindle the joy of trading if you have already quitted.
Let's jump into the first one. I want to share with you guys
Firstly, I want to share with you guys
the time or times I almost quit trading.
the times where I almost quit trading. I'm sure you've seen a candlestick
gotta
cheat
be
sheet pattern
kidding
like
me.
this before. You have probably seen a candlestick cheat sheet just
Thumbnail
like this.
too?
But have you ever seen one like
Oh
this?
my
But
god.
have you ever seen one like this? Many videos on YouTube talk about candlestick patterns. Most videos
Man,
on
I'll
YouTube
admit,
talks about
I've
candlestick
copied
patterns.
before,
But no video on
but the only thing
YouTube
I've
truly
copied was
teaches you to
description.
understand them.
That's
But
it.
no one really teaches you how to understand
But,
these candlestick
man.
patterns. Without this, you're just blindly copying patterns. If you do not do this, you are just blindly copying candlestick patterns, and you will probably not become, and you will not.
Wait, how
become
many traders is that? So
profitable.
1, 2, 3. Man, these are like known YouTubers
So you see a
too.
trading opportunity. Looks
Wait,
like a
it
decent
copied
setup,
this one
So
too?
you see a trading opportunity that lines up with your trading plan,
but you hesitate.
but you start to hesitate.
I used to close my trades after a few minutes when I
Oh,
saw
we're about
several
to
red
exit. I
candles
just want to
below
see how
my
many
entry point.
traders it copied.
In my first year, whenever I start seeing some sort of like red candlesticks like this in a row after I enter for a buy position, I will start getting scared, and this fear will cause me to get out of this trade early.
We have no idea how deep this goes or if he even has a single
Wow.
video that isn't blatantly plagiarized from the other.
Damn, that's crazy.
I love E-Man. I-Man trading. That guy's the best.
Damn, that was crazy. That's like, big to decent YouTubers. He just copied every single one of them.
Man, when you say copy, like, he fucking copied the shit out of it. Didn't change nothing.
Word for word. Yeah. That's the way it's.
Yeah, at least change something. I mean, I've copied descriptions before, but shit, that's different though. This one is like word for word, thumbnails. Wow.
Man, fuck that guy. That guy, what a fucking asshole.
Damn. Gideon said he's a poor copier. Wow. He copied day trading addict too? Oh wow.
Man, I'm sure he done it to some lady as well. I think it's a really good video. Man. And
Guys.
subscribers. Imagine he's getting paid. He's getting paid, isn't he?
Yeah, he's at almost 900K, I think.
There you go.
Any plus 2
right.
years profitable trader here. How many years do I think I've been trading? Do you think I've been trading? he learned to make copies. That's funny.
Oh, come on.
At the time, you didn't
That
know
guy.
you would do that because you learned from him a little bit? Okay. What were you going to say, Well?
I was just gonna say, man, that guy fucking showing off his true Asian genes, counterfeit fucking everything.
I keep forgetting your age, right? You are.
Oh, man.
He let the side down, innit?
Wal is actually not Asian. He's not really Asian.
Yeah, what are you all?
What is the word?
What is all?
Reveal yourself.
He's been disowned by the Asian community.
Oh, okay. He's one of them.
He looks like
divorced
them, but he's not like them.
Alright.
You didn't grow up in Asia, did you?
No, America.
Yep, you see?
Yeah, but I bet you can adopt the attitudes if you wanted to and accents, no?
No, I've been to Asian countries before. I stand out. I don't fit in. No, no.
Really?
Yeah.
Wall's as white as me.
Now sell the gold now. Yeah, you can sell. I want to check NAS again. Yeah, this NAS shit for. This is definitely a sell setup. Interestingly, the weekly candle may still close bearish. Weekly candle, let's see, weekly candle. I doubt the weekly candle is gonna close bearish, because this rejection is coming off of a previous weekly support. Yeah, I doubt this is gonna close bearish. Yeah, I doubt it's gonna close bearish. The officer asks, what's your occupation? You say you do Forex. You say, well, I'm going to impound your car unless you could do something for us.
I think he was coming on to you.
There's FVG 30-minute on gold. I don't use those. Do you think US 30, 15, and 30-minute demand valid? US 30, 15, and 30. 15 and 30 demand. 15 and 30-minute demand. No, this should come down to the lows. Nah, it should come down to the lows. Yeah, just forget about buys. Forget about buys for now until we come down to the previous demand that we rejected, where we had this bullish move to the upside. Yeah, the 30-minute demand. This 30-minute demand, yeah, is valid. But this one right here, forget about it. If we fail to break below 38,389, then you can look to take the buys. Not right now. Euro USD, man, I hate that pair.
I have tried charting that one before. It doesn't chart the same as AU and GU. It's
No.
like it's not as clean.
And it moves way too slow. And you get too many people trading it.
Wow.
Do you ever think I would trade another pair apart from gold? Yes, we do. We trade gold, NAS, US30. We don't trade currencies. Currency is for the small traders. I'm just messing with you.
Swing trade EU. Only trade trend lines.
Yeah, that pair moves
Are you the person?
too slow for me.
Sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
I think this is the person who said that he follows only you and Tory trades.
Oh, I must have missed that comment. Was that you, Miguel? Oh, okay. Yeah, Tory is cool. Man, you should see our live stream though. Our YouTube chat be going crazy. Our YouTube chat is full of freaking horny men.
Oh.
Oh man. So is this one.
I'll be like, man, just freaking stop. It just keeps coming.
Some people just can't help themselves.
Mm.
Right, just to be serious. Okay.
I like her though. She doesn't even pay them no attention. How is that drooling? Oh man, damn, that's huge. She gets distracted easily.
What does she trade? I don't think I've heard of her.
She trades futures.
Oh, okay.
She used to work for TFT, didn't she?
Huh?
She used to work for the Funded Trader. And she used to interview, and she used to interview, retailers who were using TFT. And then eventually she left to do what she's doing now. But yeah. Probably grabbed everyone's strategies from them because they always ask to pay your strategy.
No, but I heard she said she learned trading from, I think she said her brother or her uncle. I can't remember.
Yeah, her uncle, I think.
Yes, uncle or dad or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then she apparently, from what I saw in like some podcast or interview or something, it's like she just trades trend lines.
Yeah, just trend lines. And it's like she's good at it.
Yep.
Getting them to duel is a brand. Oil and platinum. I think I've seen her trade NASDAQ. Or maybe she doesn't trade it anymore. Yeah, she swings. She swing trades.
Yeah, she
You only
swings.
took, Mitch said she only took 6 trades in
Previous
past 5 months.
Yeah.
So what the hell does she live stream?
I don't think she live streams every day. Sometimes she'll just live stream like analysis and stuff.
Oh, okay. Kill the Beat says herself.
If we were not so bullish right now, as long as we do not break above this high, if this candle closes bearish, and if it rejects between 233.4 and 2333.9, I'll look to take a sell below this low. But I'm not doing that. And we didn't even touch the 1 hour resistance.
Sometimes the best trade is no trade.
Yep. I mean, we've taken trades all week though in London this week, so we'll see what happens when the new 4-hour candle opens on Forex. This is futures though. Does Euro news affect NASDAQ? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Or does it?
I doubt it.
Yeah, I don't think so. Yep, we're about to find out. I like the fact that what we actually talked about last week Saturday during the webinar. Actually happened a lot this week. That momentum, man, it's a thing.
We've had such a good week.
Yep. US30 tried to ruin it on, was it Monday?
Yeah.
No, not US30 gold. But she gave it back and some more. Because we've taken nothing but gold all week.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought it was US30.
It was gold.
Oh.
US30. The last time we took US30 was
I thought it was Monday.
Was a win. The loss we had on US30 was first week of June.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh yes, the triple clap.
Yeah. No, wait. That was gold,
No,
gold, and NAS. Wait, where's that US30 loss?
I'm sure that US30 was on Monday because I remember me and Wall got out, but I think it reversed. Or is that?
No, that's the one that you guys got out early, but we held.
Ah, yes.
Yeah,
and I won, didn't it?
It pulled back and then it went back to profit.
Yeah.
But there was one that we did lose, though. That's the one I'm looking for. There was one that we did lose. I think that must have been. Yeah, that was last month. Last week of last month. The 90p plus. Yeah. That was the one. The loss we had on, this week was gold. That 80p plus. Yesterday, your trade almost hit SL. Damn. If you drive a BMW, excuse me. If you drive a BMW in any of these Caribbean countries and you're in your 20s, damn, you better have some cash handy. Damn. And that's about to break to the upside or to the downside. I hope it's to the downside. Oh, there you go. Well, hopefully it breaks. Well, let's see what this new 4 hours is going to do on Forex. So while we're waiting for it setup, I'm going to go use the restroom real quick and stretch. Wow, take over for me, please.
Yeah.
to run through the money, now I'm too old. Man, I'm just playing. Shot when I land. Promoter paid for 6 flights. Got the team right. I just told Mr. Band. Came in for the bands. Beachside Villa for aesthetic. Just because and I don't even like the sand. Stan Smith sneakers on the beach. That's the water. I just came in for the tan. This was always planned. You wouldn't understand. I could turn a Chevy to a Cullinan.
Well, we know that the Euro news don't do shit.
I came from sorry sir to come again. I came from 2 screens to HD. Tell them why you mad for. Go on, tell them why you mad for.
Oh, volume. What's this volume?
No new friends, I couldn't catch a wave.
Yeah,
Cut off the loose ends. Used to with the under in the
it's pretty disappointing. He gave a move, but
just like that too.
no good setup.
Out the speakers was max speed. Couldn't see
No.
a thing about the way if you asked me. Never caught the chain. I was always trying to gain.
London's like, no, you've had early trades all week from me. That's it. That's your lot.
Yeah.
Go on, tell them why you mad for. Go ahead and just give me a reason not to change on you once I give me a minute. I got checks in Hamburg, I might fly out this evening. I got checks in Moscow, I'll be back in a weekend. If it wasn't for COVID, I'd be in Europe touring. Counting cash on the couch is getting kinda boring. Must be talking about kids when you talk driving foreigns. Say I'm lying and I'm telling stories, or you can't. Tell them why you mad for. Go on, tell them why you mad for. Silly. Soft spoken. I can hit the studio and spit till my jaw's broken. Forex in the hour, I'm not bragging, it's all boasting. Pen the top 10 and ball for ball, and it's all coasting. And it's easy for me. Just tell me go on, I'm on go, it's no reason for me. Doing features for a feature that's reaching for me. My next show's a mattress store, they been sleeping on me. See, they took my style, see, they been peeking on me. That's why I'm mad for.
They got you mad like when you suck your teeth, right? Cause they try to say like, ooh, that's a cute song, that's a cute song. Well, let me bar for bar real quick, just to wake you up, get you out your seat, just like, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, a little reminder. Set a reminder on your phone, wake up at 6 a.m. like me, go to sleep at 12 like me, and it's still sleep game. You gotta get your rest, stupid.
Oh, NASDAQ did it. Coming down. Top 75 to the dot.
Matt, is you in profit now? You done?
Man, talk about that TP. 75 to the dot and it's rejecting that. But now pullbacks should get sold and it should head lower.
I make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife, could've left 1,000 times just to by my side. This one's for the grind.
Oh man, go. Damn you.
It's looking more and more like a New York trade.
Yeah.
Do any of you guys trade Asia session as well?
Rarely.
No, I don't. Too late for me.
Man, this guy's a liar. He took like a gold buy during Asian session.
Oh, okay. Yeah, once I could. Yeah, okay. Once I called 100 pips on, on gold, but only because my toddler was awake. I wouldn't do it normally.
What time is it for me? 7:10 p.m. 7:11 p.m. now. You got a signal from Wix. Damn it, Pi. You traitor. You want to go out, but gold is doing this. Feel like closing and go where you want to go. Man, just set your stop loss in, set your TP in, and head up. Oh boy. Oh, I had to say something about NAS. What was it doing? Oh, it broke.
Oh. Good. You got a signal from Wix. You took buys already, Ekene? Oh, he sold. No, I'm not a car guy.
Could have fooled me. You look like a car guy.
Oh no, I promise you, I'm not a car guy.
I don't get why some people are, obsessed with cars. If you told me you're like a racer, you drive cars all the time, you race cars, then I'm like, okay, makes sense. You got a bunch of cars, you're obsessed with cars, makes sense. But instead, it's like some random rich person and they're just obsessed with cars and they just got a bunch of them just in a garage. It's like they're just sitting there collecting dust. Obsessed with V8, V6, twin turbos, quad turbos. See, I just can't get into that. It's like, if you're obsessed with a car, it's like, why would you care whether it's a V8 or a V6? Isn't the purpose of it to be, either for racing or getting from point A to point B real comfortably? So it's like either you want like a Rolls Royce or you want like a super sports car that's just built for driving.
Man, what a long session today has been.
Yeah.
You're currently building a C6. What band is that? I don't even know. That's how you know I don't know about cars.
I'm like reading it. I'm like, I don't even know how to respond. It's like, I don't even know what he's talking about.
Oh, Corvette. Oh.
Oh, I don't like Corvettes.
They're too small for me.
Oh, you build those cars? Okay. Well, that seems like a fun hobby. If you like make your own kind of car, it's like that's probably pretty awesome. Then it's like, damn, this thing's mine. It's one of a kind.
I wonder if how far away Lucian is from the Lamborghini. Must be getting there.
I'm pretty sure he said it's outside his window. He can see the Lamborghini shop. Ferrari.
Ferrari. Okay, what's your dream car, Will?
Ah, jeez. I don't really have a dream car. I just don't care.
Yeah, me either. But there are cars that I do like though. But dream car, I really don't have one. What I have is a dream house, not a dream car.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dream home. Yeah, definitely.
I do have some stupid shit. Like I want a samurai sword, like authentic samurai sword, which makes no fucking sense.
You said what?
I want an authentic samurai sword, Japanese samurai sword. And those things are like $20,000, and I can't bring myself to buy one because it's so stupid. It's like, why would you buy one? It's so expensive for something you can't use. But I don't know. Fucking want one.
Imagine it hanging in your house, though. You'd love it.
I do like knives because I used to, work as a chef. So, man,
but
I like knives.
There is a car that I'm looking to get, and it is going to be my next car, hopefully. That's my screensaver on my computer. Let me show it to you guys. I think you guys should be able to see. You guys have seen it before. This right here.
Oh, okay.
It looks basic, but it's not. It's the freaking Maybach SUV.
Beautiful.
That's the next car that I want to get.
Nice one.
If we want to get a car, people like me and Abe are like, needs to be fucking comfortable. That's needs to get me from point A to B. I need to be inside that car, comfortable as hell, feeling good,
Yeah.
It needs to start.
I used to have an X5. Yeah, that was a guzzler. Couldn't wait to sell that.
Nice.
I'm happy with my car. I've had it for what year are we in? 2024? Bit long. Could do with a new one, but hey. What do you drive? Well, what do you drive by? What does everyone drive?
I used to drive
one at a time.
Oh, go ahead.
I did Tesla and QX60.
Tesla's got screens inside of it.
Infinity, pretty much.
Well,
I used to have a Corolla, then I had a Celica, then I had a Honda Accord. Now I have a Corolla again.
Hey, don't mock a Honda Accord. My brother used to have one of those. I used to drive it. Does that even exist anymore?
I have the cheaper version of Infinity. It's like a Nissan Qashqai.
Which one is that?
Nissan Qashqai.
Oh.
Actually, I've got two cars. Personally, I've got a Nissan Qashqai, which is just like family stuff, and I've got a BM convertible 320.
Nice.
So, yeah. It's very nice. It's, oh my god, the mileage is so low on it because it's mainly like London city driving, and when we go further away, it's the other car. So yeah, as such, low mileage on it. It's cool.
You use Civic for your daily routine, weekends, TRX. Is that an Acura? Yeah, I think. And Corvette as a project car. You've got
what you got
What
cars.
you got?
I've got an SQ5, the Audi.
Oh,
okay.
Pies flexing on us.
That guzzles fuel. That guzzles fuel. Flexing, no way. Flexing my Audi. No.
Which one's that?
I love it. I love it though. I do love it.
Is it like a people carrier one sort of? Not people carrier, but 4x4.
Yeah. It's not as big as the Q7, but it's a nice family car, similar to the Qashqai.
Oh yeah, I see it.
No. Kia ora, B, what are you driving?
Easy.
Man, take your pick. Kill the beat's got it all.
He's showing his fingers there. I've got this one.
Oh, man, GLE, beautiful.
Oh, it's got a GLE, nice. Damn, easy to Ford Focus.
That's all right.
It's a cool car.
And I thought Gold was going to do it. I thought Gold was really going to do it.
Who is it? My husband drives like motorbikes as well, so we got that as well. Too many vehicles in the house.
Yeah, I want to get one. I need to get one. I want to get a motorbike. I'm just scared to because man, Texas, man, I don't know about it though. I like motorbikes.
Yeah, most people, if you like it, you love it, innit? My husband's got so he always dreamt of a CBR. He's had that one CBR, I think it's 700 it was. Now he's got 1,000. I think the CBR as well. He's got a couple of bikes as well now. So don't know where to put them.
But I like.
And he's got like a moped. Sorry, go.
I like those. What do they call them again? Dirt bikes. Those are the ones I like.
Was that dirt bike? I'm used to it, but I don't know.
This one's.
But I love riding pillion on these CBRs. Oof! You just get to the other side of London just like that.
Yeah, this one's. What the hell? I'm not trying to freaking go on Amazon. I just need an image. Yeah.
Oh, dirt bike, you mean? Yeah, what do you mean? Yeah, he's got one of them as well.
Yeah, I like this
not
one.
Here, is it not what they call XR? I think they call it one XR.
Really cool.
Yeah. They're good for crappy
I
roads.
contemplated getting a bike as well.
You did?
Yeah.
I'm just
because you get the. Sorry, go ahead.
No, I was just saying I'm just scared. That's why I haven't got one yet.
Oh, I was just gonna say, you get cars to suit your lifestyle, right?
Mm-hmm.
Get a bigger car because you need that space, and then got a smaller car to, suit. Now it's like, man, I could use a bike. I don't even need a car anymore. Jesus Christ.
Yeah. It's so handy for beating traffic as well.
Man, I just got this image of Wall on his dirt bike with all his fucking knives and his samurai sword and he's
letting everyone eat his dust.
yeah, like explosions going off in the back.
Yeah. There goes Wall.
What am I scared of? Man, I'm scared of freaking stupid drivers out here.
That is, I know what you mean though. That is the thing about driving. Oh, what you got to do, you got to command your side of the road when you're on a motorbike. Just command your bit. Don't move to the side. Just command your bit of the road. And be careful. There's a lot of in London. You have a lot of these are delivery drivers, and they all got L plates on them. They're all rubbish.
Can you ride that bikes on main highway in Texas? I actually don't know.
I think so. Number plates we need, isn't it? Just gotta have them.
I actually don't know. I think you should be able to.
Yeah, I don't see why not. The vehicle registered.
Oh, it was illegal in where was it again? Virginia? Until the trail system came? Wow. Damn, what good is doing that? I should be doing it at the freaking demand. Just come down, man. Let's into something else. This is coming down. Up, Xauusd is still falling. Gold is playing games.
Oh wow. Yeah, US 30 went up. And
went up.
Wow, it's been dropping there like New York?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Now it's like all the way breaking the lows.
Yeah, that was what I was telling the dude that asked me earlier. I should just ignore this what was it again? This 15-minute right here, because this is going to come down.
Oh.
If it holds this zone again, then you can look to take buys.
I'm surprised it moves that much for
London
session.
Yeah.
Damn, you gold, it's gone.
Oh man, it's creating another support. This could be another drive. Man. Oh.
Oh man.
Okay, this time looks like we are reacting to the 5 minute. 5 minute held this time. guess it is
Oh,
looking
well.
like I guess it is looking like NY session, but we'll see. We're gonna say something?
I was just saying, oh well, it is what it is.
Yep.
It's not the end of the world. We had a good week. Everyone's hopefully in profit. It's Friday. Take it easy.
Yeah.
No need to force it.
Nope. No forcing nothing. If it's there, we take. If it's not there, we don't take. For sure, take buys at US 30 doing New York. This zone has to hold. This zone has to hold. If it holds, then US 30 should go up. And also, man, the fact that after it broke this low right here, this minor low, it didn't give an entry.
Yeah. That's the
Didn't
15.
Didn't even come back to this 15. If it had come back to the 15, man, it would have been a beautiful move to the downside.
Wow, not even under 5. Nothing.
Wow. Damn. It's crazy. So it's like it's only NAS that actually gave a setup. Mm. That's 100 taking its time. Yeah. You're 23 pips away from your TP. Well, on NAS. Oh, Matic is in nice profit on NAS now. I'll send you to the Discord. Look, he's dancing now. Before he was crying. Now he's dancing. Oh, NAS, okay. What do I think about ICT concept? Well, let me answer that question.
Ask War. Yeah.
Who asked that? Let me see. All right. Josiah Davis. ICT concepts developed by a scammer, con artist, lied about $1 million withdrawal, is a cult like, come on, like inner circle trader. He's a part of a cult. He got taken away to a secret location, had to use Fibonacci code to escape the location. And you guys believe in ICT concepts. Wake the fuck up. I'm not sure if that answered your question, but yeah, that felt good to say that.
For me personally, I have no words. That's all I'm gonna say. Because I haven't seen anyone that came out to say, "Oh, I trade ICT and I'm actually profitable." I haven't seen it, so I have no words. So I don't know.
You're allowed to believe whoever you want. Yeah. You can believe in fucking Santa Claus. Don't make him fucking real.
I'm dead. Oh, man.
I'm saying, you know.
That's great. Believe in Santa Claus.
Oh, shit.
I don't knock off anyone's strategies as long as it's working for you. But as far as ICT concept goes, I have no words.
By the way, Santa Claus is real.
That was Santa Claus himself.
That was that, yeah. Hi, Santa.
Oh man.
I hope you're not listening to this because you got children.
Yeah, man, I should have muted Wall then. Thanks, Wall. My kids are crying.
Oh man.
That world turns up with Christmas presents at Christmas, looking like Santa Claus
with his knives
in the back, in that sachet in the back.
Yeah, on his motorbike.
You caught 81 pips, and that's nice. Damn, giving you in buys again? Sheesh.
Samurai Santa.
Go to sleep, Given. You done. You don't wanna give it back. It's probably gonna go your way, but I mean, I wouldn't trade like that. That's just me.
What's he buying?
Yeah, he bought again.
Gold?
Yeah. He has some valid concept, but he does talk and rambling from time to time.
You see, the thing is, like, why even waste your time on someone who's a known liar, a known scam artist? Just doesn't make sense. And you can watch that Words of Wisdom podcast with Byrne and Andrew NFX and Kimmel, and you can see them shit on Kimmel and him trying to hopelessly defend his ICT master.
He said
Is Kimmel
ICT master.
Kimmel ICT?
Yeah, he trades
Sorry?
ICT.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay.
But one thing I will say that is definitely not like some of these ICT traders. Man, when what's his name? When ICT freaking blew up, oh my god. It was freaking insane. All those ICT traders. It was like, it felt as if ICT was telling them, oh, you know what? You, this group of people, go to this streamer. You, this group of people, go to that streamer, and just start freaking dissing them, cussing them out, tell them they suck at trading, blah 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 blah. Man, it was just freaking insane. It was freaking
I did tell them that. I mean, honestly, it's crazy.
It was like, if you're not trading ICT, then you suck at trading. It was insane.
Yeah, we're talking about ICT, the master of trading. That's correct. What about Andrew FX? He looks shady to me. Yeah. From that podcast, he seemed okay. Seemed like a reasonable person.
Who?
Andrew FX?
Yeah. Market has gone back to 15 minutes supply. Can I check? Explain kindly. I'm not reacting on that supply. 15 minutes supply. Let's see. Where's Forex? Okay. The number one reason why I'm not looking for sales at this 15-minute supply. Before I see anything, let's mark it up. Let me change the color. Number one reason, and the main and the only reason, actually, the only reason is because of the bullish momentum. Wait, where's the 30-minute demand? So, okay. The only reason is because of the bullish momentum. Because every time this thing creates a support, it just breaks the high. Creates a support, it breaks the high. Creates a support, it breaks the high. So I'm going to need to see a resistance formed. And then once the resistance is formed, I'm going to need to see that resistance break the low before I take a sell. For example, with this resistance right now that we have here at 23.21, okay? And now we've actually created a minor support here, right? Now, if this minor support gets taken out, I'm not going to look for a sell when it gets taken out. I'm still going to be looking for the buys. But if this low gets taken out here, I'm going to look for sales. Why? I'm going to look and anticipate for sales once this low gets taken out, because this was the low that created, what the hell? This low right here was the low that created this high. So if we break this low, I know there is a higher chance for price to pull back to a level of supply and continue to fall. However, if we come back to this demand here before we create a support and then start pulling back, let's say we come all the way down to this demand here and we have enough pip range, I am going to take a buy because we still have a bullish momentum with a bearish structure. So if there is enough room for me to take buys before we get to the supply, I am going to take the buys. But I also understand that the buys that I am taking could be a pullback trade because the structure on the lower time frame is still bearish. And that's how you do it. I'm a day trader. That's why I can take pullbacks, I can take reversal, whatever you call it. I can freaking trade the trend, I can freaking trade in the range. That's the power of supply and demand. It's only supply and demand that can do that. Supply and demand works in all freaking markets, and that's why I love it, and that's why I use it. You just have to know what to do. I hope that answers your question. I think I went in too deep, but I hope that helped you.
It was good. It was good.
Oh man.
Don't know Andrew FX trade. Sorry.
Who doesn't know Andrew? Is it Andrew FX or Andrew NFX? Is it NFX or FX?
Yeah, I think it's NFX, but they're saying FX, so I don't know.
I think it's
It's
Andrew.
NFX.
Yeah, I think it's NFX.
Max says he looks like his trading style is too aggressive.
NFX.
I have no idea.
Oh, he said he's done with trading prop firms. Oh wow, said I don't blame him.
It's aggressive just to passing challenge. To passing challenge, he take like 3-4% risk, but after he passing the challenge, he reach 1% or less. And on 1% on his accounts, he stopped trading this account and trade another one.
Look,
only on passing challenge it's aggressive.
You see what I've been talking about? Traders that be freaking watching YouTube videos. Now, this is a very good and real trader here. Look, dude only has freaking almost 30k subscribers. And yet you have, I'm about to troll. You have this dude right here with 424k subscribers. This dude that does nothing but flex. Or this dude here. This dude. This
oh,
dude
that
right
dude.
Here.
This. How many he's got? Holy shit! He's almost got 1 million. What the hell?
Yep. This dude right here. And you got real traders. Man, it's crazy. Shit is backwards.
You guys believe when
show on my YouTube page? Where? Oh, I know what you're talking about. I actually know that person.
You guys believe when you use order blocks, the market tends to hunt for stop losses, then accumulate and goes in your direction.
Huh.
Liquidity.
I don't know. I don't think the subs are fake. Actually, they're real followers. They're not fake. Yeah, he's a poor copier for real.
I don't really think the market's hunting for, say, stop losses, but if it's like low volume, you can see it's ranging, yeah, then it's definitely hunting for stop losses, probably because it's hunting for liquidity. It's just hunting, just going all over the place, just looking for orders.
Yeah, we should tap this freaking resistance though. And then if it taps the resistance, I'm going to need this. Pretty much a support to be formed and then have that early entry instead of waiting for a breakup structure. pretty much potentially something like this move, like this bullish candle, maybe like getting halfway, maybe like around here, and then possibly take this sell below the lows to continue down. That's what I would like to see with these sales, but we're not gonna get that this session. Do I set my keyword? Do I set my keyword to my live videos? Yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do. Tags, descriptions, shit, everything. And even all this freaking podcasts, I don't even be watching them either. I don't watch them.
I only watch the ones that I see people that I'm interested in, like the one I watched with Burn. Yeah, that guy's interesting. So I was like, okay.
Yeah, that one, yeah. But the other ones just freaking, you're just interviewing the freaking so-called gurus.
Oh yeah.
Every single one of these podcasts, that's what they're doing.
Josiah says ICT concepts works for him.
The only podcast, it's not really a podcast, but I guess in a way it is. The only one, and that's why his growth is slow, is this dude. The only one that interviews everybody is this dude, Trading Nut. He's the only one.
Yeah.
All these other
Never
ones,
seen him recommended.
Yeah, that's why I said that's why his growth is slow. Every other podcast is looking for gurus, all these gurus to freaking interview so they can get views.
I'd recommend someone called Etienne Crete. He very similar to that guy, Abe. He just interviews just professional traders, no lifestyle. Just get down to the facts on how people trade.
Yeah, and channels like that, they're gonna have a slow growth because they're not interviewing the freaking big names. The ICT concept work for you. They've been SNL for years. Concept work. The guy himself, shame, but the concept work. Still have respect for everyone else there. Okay, that's good. Hey, so if it's working for you, then there's no reason to change anything. All I know is ICT concept is not for beginners. Before you go ICT route, you need some experience. Man, all right, YouTube. Man, I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do here today. No setup, so there's no trade. So I'll see you guys on Monday. All my links is down below in the description. And see you guys on Monday. God bless you all. Have a great weekend. If you're trading that while by yourself, don't go crazy. It is Friday, so be careful. God bless you all. See you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. All right, Zoom. I'll see you guys during NY session. Hopefully, we get a quick one today because we have no news today during NY.
Right.
No, I think we do have news, but it's like 3 hours after NY open. So hopefully, we get a quick one.
Thanks, Abe.
Thanks, Abe.
Okay, guys. See you guys later.
Thanks, Dave.
You're
See you
welcome,
later.
guys.
Abe, I sent you a message on Discord. It's no big deal just when you got time to read it.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah. It's DM. All right.
Turns of 8, sleep and get paid. Rich when I wake, I bet the bank, I set the pace. Guess what I make, that's what I make. Counting pockets, that's a trending topic. You got this and you got that, but got no spending options. I keep quiet, but still get it rocking. I keep quiet with it in my pocket. I keep quiet, moving stuff for silent. Double up, the money I color up. Double up, the money I color up. I swear God been blessing me. You think you been testing me? Don't mean lemons, watch lemon squeeze. Pieces been my recipe. You buy watch and bust them down. Mine is my investment piece. Heard your mix is drowning out. You need to call Trevor, please. I don't fold, I don't fear. Pearly whites, no veneers. Keep it clean, check it's clear. Water clear, P is clear. See the light, you go dear. See the light, I go near. Let me shine, watch me shine. I'ma shine, vision clear. Double up, the money I color up. Color up. Double up, the money I color up. Color up.